Now, morning everybody. How's everyone? Back at the allotment there. Lots to do now. Yes, have a look. They're gone. Oh, the girls are gone. And there's one girl. Come back. Hello, lass. I've had to put the bed there for a few hours. Now, you've been good girl because you're off the lead. So behave yourself. So, yes. What? Bit of a, oh bloody, that's like a bloody party, you know what I mean, when the parents come home and a party. So I'm going to try, and what I'm aiming to do today, whether I'll get it done or not, I don't know, I want to take down this frame and try and salvage that netting, because that netting is the bee's knees. You'll get that one for free, for like protecting your brassicas and everything. It's that scaffolding netting, and there's still a few meters there of it, so hopefully I went to town with the plastic clips, the zip ties, but hopefully I can get it off and just duck through here. I'm sure I did, didn't I? I brought my drill up because I drilled it to that wall there, or that fence, and actually you can see, look at, because I put them into the ground, some of them have snapped off, you know, with just like the weak point when it's, so I mean it's not a problem, but just short up. But it's nice I've got a few of that. Oh, she's away. Look at, she didn't see, can you see her? Oh, she's on the neighbour's bloody garden, man. Wait, oh, 1 second. Daisy, come on, I know. Yes, I'm excited. Oh. So let's just see if I can crack on and get some of that down. And I'll tell you what I want to do as well, is tell you basically the things, the best things I've had this year and the worst things that I've had this year. Just, and I think it's probably been me more than anything, you know. She's went in there now. One moment. Aye, back in here, lass. Right, off there. Come on. Right, look at it, man. It's fantastic, isn't it? I can't keep up with it. It's just so much. And actually, someone mentioned about using, when the leaves get really big, I know I'm jumping all over the place here, but use them in stir fries. So anyways, I've got my, where have I put it? I did have my little clips, and I'll get taking that down. I've got a tray as well, and I'll just, God, I've done loads of them, to be honest. Way too many, but I was a bit.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way.
Sit, clever girl. So, we're a little bit halfway there, and have you noticed as well, I haven't got that black bitumen on the chair. It's dry now though. So I wanted to kind of talk about what's been good and what's been bad over this season. And I think the worst thing I grew this year, which I was disappointed about, and I feel like this is like, it's almost like a radish, it's like gardening 101, do you know what I mean? But now I'm an official, you know, radish grower, was the calabrese. I didn't get one single calabrese, and I don't know why, just, it's obviously me. You know what I mean? That's all I can think of. It was me, not anything else, you know. I don't know if I put them in too early, and then along come heat and, you know, things like that. But I found the calabrese were, well, like I say, I didn't get one. And the year before, you know, I was getting them lovely, and just, do you want up, lass? Do you want up? What are you doing? Oh, me bloody beetroot, man, me bloody beetroot. Come here. Oh, there, sit there. So I think the calabrese were probably, from the whole gardening experience, the worst I've had. Do you know what I mean? What else has been pretty bad? Well, as you know, I kind of half me garlic had that white rot in it as well, which I'm a bit gutted about, because basically you only get that if you've got it in your bed, and it's in one of the beds there. And we'll just have to wait and see, because I'm going to plant some more. If that garlic gets white rot in other beds, then to be honest, I'm more inclined not to plant garlic than to kind of dig a whole bed out just for that sake, you know what I mean? I'll actually show you a bit later on there. I've got the garlics away in the polytunnel, do you know what I mean? So this batch that I've already planted. So I think calabrese and garlic have been, for me, a no-no, do you know what I mean? And I'm a bit disappointed. Like I say, garlic, we'll try it again if it comes when she's away somewhere. Daisy, come on, come on. Right. Right, right, man, I know. Right, I'll have to get on. She's driving bloody mad, eh? Right, I'll tell you what the good things are next.
I'll let you go, just need some time. At your own pace, you need to find your way. I know now you'll never change your mind for something that matters to me.
Getting close to it. So, what's been my best veg then? Well, I think, to be honest, I'll say by a country mile. By a country mile, how good it is has been the aubergines in there. They've just been tremendous, to be honest. I mean, they're kind of finished. What are you doing? Do you want up, lass? They're kind of be comfortable there, man. What are you trying to do? What do you want? She's glad to be back. That's what it is. She's glad them bloody bees are gone. By a country mile, the aubergines, the amount of crops, and I'm basing it off the ones that, you know, I had grew my own as well from seed, and they just didn't work at all. Just not a, oh, she's hurt. Oh, them claws. You know what I mean? They just didn't. There's a sound. Not at all the sound. They just, I didn't get a single fruit. Where from the time, I mean, I think, did I put them in I don't know, April sometime? From, I guess, July onwards, we've been having tremendous crops from there, and definitely doing the aubergines. I tell you what, we'll just, if I can just get her off, come on, we'll go and have a look. Oh. So here we are, and I mean, they've had the day, and I might probably actually take them out today as well. But do you know what I mean? It's they've just been tremendous, absolutely tremendous. And I don't think that, I mean, they're just surviving at the moment, so it's probably best if I just pick them out, finish that job off of there and pick them. But definitely doing them, and I'm not doing my own seeds. I'm not going to kind of bother there. To be honest, it's like I get a lot of disappointment when I do my own stuff, so just let someone else do it for us. That's the theory.
Chances are small, just like the world.
Can you see us there? So like I mentioned, these have just been brilliant. They are kind of finished there now. They're just kind of, and they'll end up going rotten. So I will just pick them, Daisy, watch out, and take them out. But perfect, do you know what I mean? I love them, and I'll grow them again because the full family like them, do you know what I mean? Dear, watch. And yeah, it might just be a little thing now, but if it had had the summer, you know what I mean, or a longer summer, should I say it? Watch out. I'm going to tell you in a second or two what the dark horse of the gardening thing that I've done this year, what I'm really surprised about, and chuffed a bit, and we'll use it and use it and use it again and again. Oh, so I've been thinking, oh, you dirty me top, you'll go mad. What? Actually, me carrots in pots were a failure as well. But I missed that one. But what's been a dark horse that I'm really surprised about, there's been actually two when I think about it, and they've been more processes than plants. The first one was a big thank you to Tony O'Neill for the mentioning the putting the straw, the kind of horse straw, the rapeseed straw on top of, watch me bloody, that's there, I've only got two of them left, come on off, is putting the straw on top of potatoes. That was, well, I got like, there's still a huge load of potatoes left. It just kept everything in, knitted everything together, stopped the weeds, kept them nice and damp, fed them. It was perfect, absolutely perfect. The second one is, and I was just thinking, if I can just reach, is these hooks. This green string's not very good, but these tomato hooks have been tremendous. Honestly, totally transformed the way I kind of do the plants in here and getting a crop from them. And right, she's chewing it now. This, like I say, Martin sent these over, big thank you to Martin, sent these over from America, and it cost a small fortune to send them over. But you can get these on eBay if you just look for tomato hooks and the clips. If you can, you know, if you've got somewhere to kind of hang them, what a difference, what a difference. Do you know what I mean? Perfect. So that's the good, the not so good, and the dark horses. And I've messed on with it. Look after yourselves, take good care.
What do you want? What's your biggest need? Every hour we spend together, and suddenly the chances are small, just like the light.